how to use and open private safe settings in any of the OPPO mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you that how you can use and open your private safe option, private safe folder that you have in any of your OPPO phone. Now guys, as you can see here, we have the private safe option here. So to get this option, you have to simply go to your mobile settings, and then from here you have to go to security, and then you will get this option here, as you can see, private safe. Now what is this exactly and how it works and how you can open and how you can use this option on your phone? I'll tell you all of this. But guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive all the latest update. Now guys, come to your settings and then go to security and then come to private safe, and then here you have to set a password. Okay, set password, and then here you have to set a password. I'll just give my same password which I have in my mobile, and then here you have to, what is the name of your teacher, just type your name, that's it, so that you will easily bypass when you have to give this security question. Okay, done. This is done. Now enter from the settings, security, private safe, touch, hold an app. Okay, create a home screen. You can also create a home screen and then it will add to your phone menu, but that's not a good idea. I won't give it. Now let's click on the done. That's it. Now if we go to photo, then we don't have any photo here, and we don't have any audio, private audio here. Now guys, let's go to our images. Let's go to images, and then you have to simply select this. Now let's select this, and then here we have the private set option. Let's click here, let's click OK, and then these all are private set. Now it won't be available on our gallery. Okay, it has gone to our private folder. Now let's go to our settings, and then let's go to security, and then from here let's go to private safe, and then from here just put your password, confirm your password again, and then here as you can see, okay, let's go back once, and then let's give our password and then click to photo, and then you will see the photo, as you can see. So this is the photo. I just put it on private. Now nobody can see this until and unless I opened with my password. So this is how you can use and open. You can put this, all the audio file, video file and image file, all of them on your private mode so that nobody can see it. Okay, so this is how it works. This is how you can use, and this is how you can open your private safe settings on any of the OPPO phone. I hope this video definitely helps you. Thanks for watching.